YouTube. All right, so we are here in a beautiful, beautiful loft space in the downtown Toronto area in Kensington Market. See, you got the beautiful view of the CN Tower over there, unobstructed. And we just completed the glass railings in this beautiful renovation. And here, as you can see, it's a frameless glass railing system, side mounted on the black standoffs. And then we have a black base shoe right up here on the second floor. And just clean glass to enjoy the beautiful view of this huge open loft. High ceilings, art gallery style type of loft. Looks amazing. Another one for the books. And of course the customer is quite pleased with the end result and the work that we did. That's why I'm allowed to be back in here filming it. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll share the next one with you. Keep liking and I'll keep sharing.